Welcome to learndaddy.com. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use Chamfer. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं Chamfer का in 3D. So let's begin. So we are going to start with the creating new document and click on part. Now we are going to select the plane and start the sketch. So as we now on the sketch workbench, simply we are going to draw a rectangle or hexagonal. So let's draw a hexagonal. Now let's exit the workbench and we are now going to extrude it. And we are going to extrude it to 50 mm, and we are also going to provide the mirror extent. Now let's talk about the tool chamfer. So basically the chamfer is used for removing the sharp edges. Okay, so let's see how we gonna use this. So first of all, let me so as you can see, previously we have learned about the tool fillet. So below the fillet there is a tool known as chamfer, or also you can find this tool. Simply go to dress up feature and you can find the tool chamfer. So let's start. Click on it and learn how to use it. So as you can see, the dialog box has been opened and you can see first of all mode, length, angle and the section. Simply we are going to use the edge. Okay, we are going to use this edge and we are going to increase the length so that we are going to provide it to 5 mm. Okay, press preview and okay. Now you will see we have removed the sharp edges and create the chamfer. Simply we are going to undo this one. Also you can use this chamfer on the face. Simply we need to click on it and you have to select the face. Okay, you will see we have selected the face and we have provided the length. Okay, you will see we have provided the chamfer to the hexagonal at the top of the face, and you can also change the angle. Simply choose this face. Let's change the angle. Simply we want 60. Review. Okay, it is 1 mm. Simply we are going to increase the length. Click on chamfer, 10 mm. Okay, now you will see so undo this one, undo and undo. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool how to use chamfer in 3D. So I hope you like this video and thank you.